Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing a all about Jeffree Star cosmetics, and I got everything that came in. So this came in like a while ago. So if you guys have been watching my Snapchat, like, I'll start off with this box first. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. So I'm gonna start off with, oh my gosh, I'm so I knew it that there was more products in there because I literally just heard something. So literally, hopefully some of the stuff did not break. I'm gonna start off with this Jawbreaker. This is one of his lip emanations, I think. Oh, now that is really pretty. Okay. Now, I did get this off of eBay, and this lip liner is in Leo. It's real, it's authentic. Come on, get out of there. Very nice. I love this so far. Well, I just love it how it just rolls off. Slime Glossin. This must be one of his green glosses. Jeffree Star and Shane. Gosh, get out of there. Ooh. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. It smells exactly like 7-Up. I love that. Hopefully my lip liner lived. And this is the regular Shane Glossin. And I do have this as like a backup. So, not gonna open that all the way because I don't want to. And I believe this is the balm that I've been trying to get my hands on, I think. Or it's just the lipstick. Oh. see. Oh, it does smell like root beer. But there's shimmers in it. That's really cool. Okay. Alright. So now we have the two lip bundles. I'm going to start off with this one here. This is supposedly comes in with doll parts, Calabasas, Wifey, Watermelon Soda, Anna Nicole, Prom Night, Red Rum, and Unicorn Blood. So, let's see. Ooh. Alright. Very pretty. Now, I'm definitely not going to swatch them. It looks very pretty. Alright. And then this one here especially comes with Drug Lord, Ice Tray, Jawbreaker, Blue Velvet, Abuse, Diamond, Titanic, and Medusa? Okay. Very pretty. Very blue. Medusa. Alright, that's all she wrote for now. Hopefully I can get this video up tonight, but if I don't, it's because of my internet. That's all she wrote. I said it again. Alright, thank you for watching. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, you need to be and keep up with my goofy butt. So, anyways, I'm going to take this makeup off and I'm going to go lay down for the night. So, good night. And give this video a thumbs up. Oh.